Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today I will show you how you can send money to any bank account using your normal SMS. Yes, you heard it right, using your standard normal SMS. So before proceeding, let me make you clear one thing, that this feature is only available for Indian people. So if you're living outside of India, so you can skip this video, or if you still want to see how it works, then you can see the video further. So before proceeding, let me make you clear that first you need to install this app, PIM applications, which is mainly for the Indian peoples. So I'll not be showing these features, so you please download this application and register your mobile number and everything on these applications. And once you are completely done, we'll check how to transfer money to any bank account balances using the SMS features. So first of all, you need to register on that application app that you can see in this video. Now click on the dialer button, and as you can see here, so please type *99# and click on the registered mobile number which you have registered on the PIM apps. I have registered with my Vodafone number, so I'm dialing with Vodafone number. So once you see in the here options the send money, so click here one and click send. As you can see here, mobile number, you can send using the mobile number, using the UPI ID and the SAP beneficiary, or using the IFSC and account number. So tap on the 5 if you want to send using the IFSC and account number. So on this, in this way, you can send the money to your friends or relatives using the normal SMS also. I hope you find these features useful, and please click on the thumbs like button if you like it, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.